These are my 5 best OBD2 scanners with free lifetime updates. And I will not mention scanners like ELM adapter or code reader. Of course they can be free to use, but they don't have software that is regularly updated. So the 5 OBD2 scanners I will mention are more advanced scanners with coding, services, bidirectional function, but also with free lifetime updates. So you always have newest updated software without paying anything extra than what you paid for tool itself. At number 1 we have Xtool A30. This you can buy for about $100. On their website is even cheaper. The basic version of Xtool A30 is about $90. I have 10% off coupon, it will be in description. But Xtool A30 will let you scan all control modules. So it is not just for engine, it is for engine, ABS, brakes, airbag, radio, doors, body, whichever modules you have in your car. You will be able to scan fault codes from them, clear those faults, read live data and do bidirectional testing. So you can test different components across your car just by using this adapter. It is also very user friendly. You can even use it not only with smartphone but also with tablet, which will give it more professional look if you are looking for that. Even get some special functions. For example, we have this light which will help you connect it if you cannot see. You also get this screen which will display battery voltage of your car, and then you even have service procedures. So for example, oil interval reset, battery adaptation, steering angle sensor reset, DPF force regeneration. Basic version of Xtool, the cheapest one, supports 8 different service procedures. So pretty advanced scanner for $90. And for smartphone it supports both Android and iOS, so doesn't matter which one you have. Now before I show you second pick, I also have this free PDF OBD buyer's guide, and it will help you choose between different scanner types because there is a lot of scanners to choose from, and it is free. Link is in description, short PDF, and definitely will help you choosing right OBD2 scanner. And then next best OBD2 scanner with free lifetime updates is Thinkscan 689. This is very popular scanner right now, and that is because I believe it is first ever scan tool that comes with free lifetime updates. Because updates on these professional scan tools are not cheap, they can be anywhere from 100, 200, 400 even more for 1 year of updates. And with Thinkscan you are getting these updates free for lifetime. Now this is fully professional scanner, so it supports everything that Xtool A30 can do. You have tablet, it also supports almost double of brands. So it has large brand coverage, more than 150 brands. You have more service procedures, about 34 service procedures, so way more than with smartphone scanner. And then you can also use ECU coding, so you can code new replacement modules. For example, if you replace ABS module, you need to code it so it works. And you can also use ECU coding to unlock hidden features of your car. Because modern cars with more electronics, they have these hidden menus and you can customize or unlock or even disable features. Next option with free lifetime updates is this Unell Echo. But one thing I forgot to mention, I will also make blog post with these best picks, because blog post I can update. So in case you are watching this few months after I published, you can go to link in description and check that blog post, because there may be some new best scanner with free lifetime updates. Now Unell Echo is pretty interesting scanner because it comes with own software that has these free lifetime updates. But just with that software I would not recommend it because it doesn't have big vehicle coverage. It supports only about I think 20 to 30 car brands, which is not that much. I mean, if your car brand is supported, you can do full system scan, you can connect to any control module, read codes, read live data, clear codes, and even do bidirectional testing. But even though it doesn't have big vehicle coverage, it has one thing that made me put it on this list, and that is it can connect to ELM 327 apps. So in case your car brand is not supported with Unell software, you can still use it with literally hundreds of OBD2 apps in your Play Store. And it also works for both Android and iOS. Next OBD2 scanner with free lifetime updates is Kingbolen Ediag. Now I will just put picture here because right now I don't have it in garage. But it has same software like Launch or ThinkCar, they are running on same software, and it is very similar to Xtool A30 with functionality. So you can work with all control modules, read codes, clear codes, live data, do bidirectional tests, but you don't have ECU coding, same like with Xtool A30. So which one should you buy? Xtool A30 or Kingbolen Ediag, since they have very similar functionality and brand coverage. Ediag is cheaper, especially on Kingbolen website. It is about $70, and Xtool costs, cheapest version you can get with discount coupon is around 90, but then there is also two more expensive version. So the most expensive Xtool version can be almost double of Kingbolen Ediag. And it is hard choice. I mean, Xtool seems just a little bit faster and a little bit easier to use. So honestly, I would probably prefer Xtool, but if you want to save money and buy cheapest option possible, then you can go with Ediag. And then my fifth best OBD2 scanner with free lifetime updates is again Xtool, but this one it is Xtool D5s. Now with Xtool D5s I will warn you that it is mostly useful for older vehicles because it is not full system scanner, it is only 4 system scanner, so it can scan engine, transmission, airbag and ABS, which are most important modules, but if you have 30 different control modules, you have newer car, then it might be very limited for that other modules. However, for older vehicles you don't have much modules than these 4 basic ones and most important ones, so it is perfect for older cars. You also have service procedures, 15 service procedures, you have Wi-Fi updates, which is very important with these scanners because I also have some similar scanners that are updated with memory card and it is very complicated process. If you buy for system scanner you want to have Wi-Fi updates like with Xtool D5s. But for these 4 supported modules, so engine, transmission, airbag and ABS, you can read fault codes, clear them, read live data, view them as a graph, even do PDF reports. So it is not most advanced scanners, but it is enough for servicing older vehicle. And same like all Xtool products, they are cheapest on Xtool website, and with coupon code CARHACKER you will even get 10% off, so extra discount. And if you are still not sure which one should you buy, just download this free PDF OBD2 Buyer's Guide, explains scanner features, scanner types, and we will help you pick right one for you. This PDF you can download for free in description.